Okay, so this is the Gecko summer box from Lisa Linton at Oh Sew Gecko. I've just opened it up so you can't see my address, but I haven't done anything else. First of all, look at this lovely tissue paper with a little gecko sticker on. See if I can show you that in a sec. And then we have, everything is individually packaged. Let me show you. So there's the little gecko sticker, and then we have, oh, what to open first? I think let's open, well, that one's popped open. I'm sure that will be in there. Oh look, there's a little gecko holographic sticker. That's cute. And then we have a little box here. I love these little hearts on the boxes. What's in here? This is the first time I've opened it. I have no idea what's in here. So we have, oh cool, little purse feet, little bag feet. Got 4 of those, but to keep those safe. Put them on the table there. And then we've got another little one here. I'm going to open the little ones first. What's in this one? I love that everything is individually packaged. This must have taken her so long to do. I know how long these takes because the 12 Days of Bag Making box takes forever to package. So we've got, look at these beautiful quality rectangular rings. Now I have seen the pattern as well because Lisa actually opened up a group especially for this. Oh my goodness, look at those. And I believe these have been specially designed by Oh Sew Gecko, Lisa at Oh Sew Gecko as well. Those are so cool. Fabulous. Yeah, so there's a group that, oh, what should I open next? There's so many things in here. There's a group that goes with this box as well, and she sends out, she has been sending out emails reminding us, and there's been lives throughout the way as well, like introducing us to the pattern. And there's one on Saturday which is like sewing up the lining and things. Oh wow, look at that, that's cool. Really fresh print, and I believe this is from Portugal as well, this cotton. Pop that down there. Oh my gosh, I don't know what to open next. I didn't expect there to be quite so many in here. Oh, this is cool. So this is pre-made cork strapping. So we don't have to fold it and do all that stuff. It's already pre-made. That's really cool, isn't it? Amazing. Then we've got, move it up a bit so you can see all the bits coming out. We've got, let's open one of these big ones. What's in here? It's like Christmas. Oh, this is some of the cork. Okay. Oh, wow. Look at that. That is really, really pretty. So I recently got something similar to this. In fact, I did it on my live recently. And I used it on my live recently, and it wasn't good quality at all. In fact, I talked about that on the live because it split a bit, but I can tell this is in a different league because this is direct from the people that make the cork fabric. So maybe this is some more fabric. Oh, it is. Gosh, there's so much in here. This is not just an ordinary kind of project box because there's 3 rolls in here plus the cotton. She's wrapped it up too well. What's this one? Oh wow, it's a brown, it's like a chocolate brown. Beautiful. Really, you know, neutral if you prefer your neutral bags as well. And there's another one. What is this? It's another roll of cork. Wow. So this obviously isn't a super cheap box, but you can see why. Like, this is quality cork. This comes straight from the manufacturers where they grow the trees in Spain. You can go and visit them actually taking the cork off of the trees. Oh, it's like butter. It's so soft. So together we've got the kind of neutral, natural, we've got that chocolatey brown, and then we've got these kind of leaves. Absolutely gorgeous. So that's the 3 corks. I was not expecting 3 rolls of cork. No way, Lisa. Oh gosh, there's more fabric as well. Oh, and another sticker. So we've got 2 of those stickers. I think that might have been what was in that little... Oh, maybe this was in the extra package that fell out. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, look at those. Beautiful bees. 2 of those zipper pulls. And what's in this one? Oh gosh. Oh, Lisa, I absolutely love those. Like little plant pulls. Oh my goodness, they are gorgeous. Okay, what else do we have? Oh, I think I can guess what this one is. All right. Wow, not one choice. We have 3 different colour combos there. So we've got this burgundy, like a dusky blue, and then the neutral zippers. And then I think there's just one left. Just look at everything we've got inside. And what is this? This is some more fabric. Oh, okay. Gorgeous, gorgeous fabric. Yeah, so you can see here, this is the Portuguese fabric. So it's all from Portugal and Spain. It's beautiful. Look at that. Wow, thank you so much, Lisa, Oh Sew Gecko. This is absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait to make a bag up with this. I know it comes with a pattern as well, so I'm definitely going to be sewing along with your lives. I think I'm going to choose the plant colourway and use a little bit of that accent cork, where's it gone, in there, together with the brown. That is going to make such a beautiful, beautiful bag. Thank you again, Lisa.